Hello, and welcome to Easy Story Studio. I am very happy that you are here today. Today, we have a very important topic. We are going to talk about your motivation. We are going to talk about why you want to learn English. Many people try to learn this language, but many people stop. They give up. They say it is too hard. Today, I want to change your mind. I want to give you energy. I want to help you find your fire. If you feel tired of studying, you are in the right place. Let us begin. You are watching this video because you want something. You have a goal in your mind. You want to speak English. You want to understand English. You want to watch movies without reading the text. You want to listen to music and know the words. You want to travel to new places. You want to speak with people from all over the world. You want a good job. You want to give your family a beautiful life. These are very good reasons. These are big dreams. But right now, you have a problem. You feel stuck. You study for a long time. You open your book. You read the grammar rules. You write words in your notebook. You do this every day, but when you need to speak, nothing happens. You meet a person who speaks English. They say hello to you. They ask you a simple question. Suddenly, you feel cold. Your hands shake. Your face gets red. You know the words in your head, but the words do not come out of your mouth. You stand there in silence. You feel shy. You feel embarrassed. You go home and you feel very sad. You look in the mirror and you say, I am not smart. I cannot do this. English is too hard for me. I am here to tell you the truth. Listen to me very carefully. You are not stupid. You are very smart. Learning a new language is a big challenge. It is normal to feel afraid. It is normal to forget words. Every person who speaks a second language feels this way at the start. I know how you feel. I understand your pain, but you must not let the pain stop you. Why do we feel this fear? We feel this fear because we do not want to look bad. In school, your teachers give you a test. If you make a mistake, you get a bad mark. The teacher puts a red X on your paper. You learn that mistakes are bad. You learn that you must be perfect. But real life is not a school test. Real life is different. In real life, mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are good. Mistakes are how you learn. Think about a child learning to walk. The child stands up. The child takes one step. The child falls down. Does the child say, "Oh no, I am bad at walking. I will never walk again"? No. The child gets up. The child tries again. The child falls many times, but the child never stops trying. Soon the child can walk. Then the child can run. You must be like that child. You must accept that you will fall. You will say the wrong word. You will use the wrong grammar. People might not understand you the first time. That is okay. That is part of the journey. If you do not make mistakes, you are not learning. You must love your mistakes. Your mistakes are your teachers. To speak English well, you need motivation. Motivation is the most important thing. Motivation is the fuel for your car. Without fuel, the car cannot move. Even if it is a very expensive car, it needs fuel. Your brain is a very good car, but without motivation, your brain will not learn. So how do you find this motivation? How do you keep the fire burning? You must find your why. Why are you doing this? You are not learning English just to learn English. You are learning English to get something else. Close your eyes for a moment. Think about your life in 5 years. What do you see? Do you see yourself in an office, speaking confidently in a big meeting?
Do you see yourself in a cafe in New York, laughing with a new friend? Do you see yourself at an airport, helping someone find their way? Hold that picture in your head. Make the picture very clear. Make it bright. That picture is your why. Every time you feel tired, every time you want to close your book, look at that picture in your head. Let the picture give you energy. Let me tell you a true story. Let me tell you about a man named David. David lived in a small town. He was a taxi driver. He worked very long hours. He made very little money. He wanted to give his children a better life. He knew that if he spoke English, he could be a tour guide. Tour guides make better money. Tour guides talk to interesting people. David decided to learn English. But David was 50 years old. People told him he was too old. People told him his brain was too slow. People laughed at him. David did not listen to them. David had a very strong why. His why was his children. David did not have money for expensive schools. He did not have money for private teachers. He only had a cheap radio and a small dictionary. Every day, David listened to English news in his taxi. He listened while he drove. He repeated the words out loud. He made many funny sounds. His passengers sometimes looked at him strange, but David did not care. When he had a break, he did not sleep. He read his small dictionary. He learned 3 new words every day. Just 3 words. It does not sound like a lot, but 3 words a day is more than 1,000 words a year.
One day, an American tourist got into David's taxi. The tourist asked for a famous hotel. David understood. David smiled. He said, "Yes, sir, I can take you there." The tourist was happy. During the drive, David used his simple English. He pointed at beautiful buildings. He said their names. He made many grammar mistakes. His accent was very strong, but the tourist understood him. They had a good time. At the end of the trip, the tourist gave David a big tip. That small moment changed David's life. He knew he could do it. He kept practicing every single day. He never stopped. He practiced in the morning. He practiced at night. 2 years later, David passed a test. He became a tour guide. Today, David owns a big tour company. He speaks English every day. He sends his children to a good university. David is not a genius. David is a normal man. The only difference between David and a person who fails is motivation. David did not stop when it was hard. David did not stop when people laughed. You have the same power inside you. You can be like David. But you must change how you think. You must stop waiting for the perfect moment. Many people say, "I will speak when my English is perfect. I will speak when I know all the grammar rules." I have bad news for you. Perfect does not exist. Even native speakers make mistakes. Even English teachers make mistakes. If you wait for perfect, you will wait forever. You must start speaking today. You must speak with the English you have right now. If you only know 10 words, use those 10 words. If you only know how to say hello and thank you, say hello and thank you to everyone. Open your mouth. Make the sounds. Let the world hear your voice. You also need a plan. Motivation is good, but motivation needs action. You cannot just feel excited and do nothing. You must build a daily habit. English cannot be a weekend hobby. You cannot study for 5 hours on Sunday and do nothing from Monday to Saturday. Your brain needs English every day. Think about water. A plant needs a little water every day to grow. If you give a plant no water for a month and then give it 100 liters of water in one day, the plant will die. Your brain is like a plant.
Give it a little English every day. 15 minutes a day is enough. Everyone has 15 minutes. You can wake up 15 minutes early, you can practice while you drink your coffee, you can practice on the bus, you can practice before you go to sleep. Do not tell me you are too busy. You are not too busy. You just need to make English an important part of your day. What should you do in those 15 minutes? Do not just read silently. Reading silently is safe, but it does not teach you to speak. You must read out loud. You must listen to audio and repeat the words out loud. Your mouth needs to exercise. Your tongue needs to learn the new movements. Speak to yourself in the mirror. Tell yourself about your day. Say, I am wearing a blue shirt. I am eating an apple. The weather is sunny today. It feels silly. I know it feels silly, but it works. When you speak to yourself, there is no pressure. No one is judging you. You can build your confidence in your own room. You must also change the content you use. Stop using boring textbooks. If a book puts you to sleep, throw it away. You learn faster when you are having fun. Find things you love. Do you love cooking? Watch cooking videos in English. Do you love sports? Read sports news in English. Do you love stories? Listen to easy stories in English. When you are interested in the topic, you forget that you are studying. You just enjoy the moment. The words enter your brain easily. I want you to make a promise today. I want you to make a promise to yourself. Promise that you will not quit. Promise that you will keep going, even on the bad days. Because there will be bad days. There will be days when you feel like your English is getting worse. There will be days when you cannot remember a simple word like water. On those bad days, be kind to yourself. Take a deep breath. Say, it is okay. Today is a bad day, but tomorrow will be better. Do not be angry at your brain. Your brain is working hard. It is building new roads. It is making new connections. This takes time. Learning a language is not a short race. It is not a 100-meter run. It is a very long marathon. You need patience. You cannot plant a seed today and expect a big tree tomorrow. You must water the seed. You must wait for the sun. You must give it time. Look back at how far you have come. Think about the first day you started learning English. You did not know the alphabet. You did not know any words. Now you are watching a video in English. You are understanding my words. You are following my ideas. That is a huge success. You must celebrate your small wins. Every new word you learn is a victory. Every sentence you say correctly is a victory. Be proud of your hard work. Do not compare yourself to other people. This is very important. You look at a person on the internet. They speak perfect English. They have a beautiful accent. You say, I will never be like them. Stop doing that. You do not know their story. You do not know how many hours they studied. You do not know how many times they cried. You only see their success. Your journey is your journey. Their journey is their journey. The only person you should compare yourself to is you. Are you better today than you were yesterday? If the answer is yes, then you are winning.
I want to leave you with one final thought. English is not just a subject in school. English is a key. It is a magic key that opens doors all over the world. It opens doors to new friends. It opens doors to new ideas. It opens doors to a new version of yourself. When you learn to speak English, you become a bigger person. You step out of your small world and you join the global world. Your voice matters. Your story matters. The world is waiting to hear what you have to say. Do not let fear keep your mouth closed. Do not let lazy days stop your progress. Find your fire. Find your reason. Practice every single day. Speak loudly. Speak badly. Make mistakes and laugh at them. Keep moving forward. I believe in you. I know you have the power to do this. I have seen hundreds of students start from nothing and become amazing speakers. You are no different. You have a good brain. You have a strong heart. Now you just need to do the work. Start right now. Today is the first day of the rest of your English journey. Go out there and claim your success. Thank you for watching Easy Story Studio today. I hope this speech gave you the motivation you need. I hope you feel ready to take action. Remember the most important lesson. Do not fear mistakes. Find your big reason to learn and practice speaking a little bit every single day. You can do this. I know you can. If you feel inspired today, please do me a quick favor. Like this video to help our channel grow. Leave a comment below and tell me your why. Why do you want to learn English? And please subscribe to Easy Story Studio for more videos that make learning English simple, fun, and motivating. Have a great day and keep speaking.